Joseph. Yeah, I the last video, or if you are in my Telegram group, Telegram mentorship, I told you that I'll be talking about the other pattern that the market maker formed. And I said this pattern played out on gold last week. No, just this completed week, not last week now. This is Saturday by Nigerian time though. So on I think on Wednesday, Thursday, that was when the pattern played out. So I'm going to be talking about that pattern, and it's a very, very powerful market maker pattern that you also need to watch out for, and then you also need to trade them. So I'll be talking about the pattern right now. So if you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to it. Click on the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I upload a new educative content. Okay, and like, share, and subscribe to this video. That being said, let us dive into the pattern, into the trading. Now, what do I mean by the pattern? Are there any other patterns that the market maker forms aside M's and W? Of course, yes. There are several patterns that the market maker forms, and M's and W's are just one of the several patterns that are so very, very powerful. Personally, I when I trade M's and W, then I trade this pattern. These are the patterns that I look out for in the charts and just to trade. And I I would want you to also pay attention to this. Like I always say, don't take me for my word. Backtest it. Check it out yourself if what I said are they are truly true. And if they are not, neglect it, leave it alone. But if they are, why won't you use it? So yes, let's draw our period separator. Don't mind the period separator that I'm drawing here, but it's just as an illustration purpose, so you can see how these patterns plays out. So let's assume that the market is forming an higher high, and higher high, and higher high. Then all of a sudden, you are going to see a candle to the upside. It's going to be a big bullish candle. And if it's a bullish candle, sometimes it might be bullish. It might be one bullish candle, but sometimes it might be 2 to 3 bullish candles. But there will be a marabuzo candle that is the body, the spread of the body. That is what I mean by the spread is, let's say this is a excuse me. Let's say this is a candlestick. So from year to year to year is the spread. That is the body of the candle is the spread. So that is this body of the candle will be so big compared to the wick. So it's not going to go like this. No, it will be so big that it will just go. It might be one, it might be two, it might be three, it might be four, but it will be a successful bullish candle. And as it go, then the same way it goes up, then you will see it coming back down. And when it's coming back down, it might be in form of a successive bearish candle with a big body, or sometimes it might be just one. Okay, so once it comes back down there, then what the market do is that the market will pause as if it's being controlled. Well, the market is being controlled. If you don't know that, down now you know. Then you begin to see it starts forming a kind of range. It will not move. It will not move past this level. And when you begin to see this kind of thing, then you should be ready to sell this market, putting your stop loss at around this place, and you take profits here. Then all of a sudden, you see the market coming down. And as usual, once it breaks this level and you're unable to enter here, then wait for the market to come back, retest this level. You are going to enter, you enter here, your stop loss will be above this place, then your take profit will still be here, then the market will keep on going the way in the sell direction. You know what I'm saying? So the same thing for the bearish. Let me clear this. So the same thing for the bearish market. Let's assume the market is coming down, coming down, coming down. Then all of a sudden you will see the market move with a huge candle. Like I said, there'll be successive bearish candle, sometimes might be a bullish candle. Then you begin to see the market going back up. Then all of a sudden the market will just pause and then start uh, a sideways movement that is ranging. And uh, as you know, your stop loss should be here and take profit should be here. Then you see the market moves up. Then if you know you did not take advantage of the market at this level, then you can look to re-enter because the market is going to come back to retest this level. Then before it moves, keep on moving back up to this level rather. You know what I'm saying? So that's how the market moves. And let me, mind you, mind you, mind you, mind you. Sometimes the market can be so funny, because each time you see this kind of pattern, this kind of movement, because the market knows that the market maker knows that sometimes what they would do, your stop loss will be at around this place. What they will do is that they will hit your stop loss, move up, then start coming back down, then start going. So if in case you place your stop loss here, then they hit, they come up, move up to hit your stop loss at around this place. Then what you do is that you have to re-enter the market again because it is still going to come down. The only time that the market that you are not to re-enter the market is when the high of this place, when this high over here has been broken. Okay, but because sometimes even if they move this sideways, they might even try to move the this thing, the the market to go to this high of this place. If it should go get to the high of this place, that means it's giving you what, an information. You have to you should know that you have to say that this is an intraday formation. This is the first leg over here. This is the first leg. Now this one will be the second leg. Then the market keeps on moving down, down. Then you keep on selling. I hope you understand. I hope this is clear to you in this aspect. So that being said, let us go. The first point of contact will be gold because I saw this playing out on gold just last week. I mean, just this completed week. So I'm going to show you how it played out on gold. Actually, I took the trade, so I'm going to show you how it played out on gold. Then we can look for other setup, like one or two setup. Then we call it a day. So just okay, guys. Let's look for gold. Yes, this trade you see, I'm still going to come back to it for me to explain. So I'm going to come back to this video after I finish with, so I can explain how I took this video at these trades, all these trades. Then you can see them. So let's go to gold. Yes, we are here. Now look at this, guys. You can see how it's played out. Moving here, giving us an higher high. Then the market gets here. Can you see this successive bullish candle? Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? You can see that there was no bearish candle at this point, at this stage already at all. It just went up, 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 up. Can you see what I'm saying? Then the market then gradually comes back, comes down. And as the market comes down, what the market started doing? It started ranging. Started ranging. Once you begin to see all these kind of signs, it's showing that these people are still going to go for a sell, then what are you to do? This, you have to place your stop loss at around this place, or you place it at around this place. Anywhere you placed it, then you have to enter your trade either here, you can enter here, you can enter here, you can enter here. Just once it starts ranging, just make sure that you enter. And what the market do? Market comes back, then it started going down here, then it moves up a bit, this level. Don't forget this level. Then it then gives us good turn down. Then the market comes up again. Then it comes up again. Look, don't be fearful when you are trading the charts, because once you understand the pattern or the way the market maker are forming their pattern, you will not be fearful at all, because you know that it is still going to come in your favor. You know what I'm saying? So all these things that they are doing, that they are moving, this market is being moved by somebody. There's some set of people that are behind these things, all these candles you are seeing. It does not just come there by accident. There's some set of people that are in charge of these things, that are making it happen the way you are seeing them happening. So don't be scared of them at all. So once you understand their pattern, you are good to go. So all these things you are seeing that is ranging, then it comes back here. You have thought that, oh, that it is a sell already. What they did, they already know that we got them. They already know that we got them. So what's what it is that they had to come back here for those that they thought that, oh, that they had a stop. I mean, that they had a stop loss above this place. They had to come back here, that they got it right for yourself. They come back here just to what, to set to take out some stop losses and to activate some pending orders, that is a pending buy. Some people have already placed buy order, pending buyers here. So they come here, they move back up to activate those pending buy orders and to hit some stop losses. Are you getting what I'm saying? So when they now move down here as a sell, those people that placed their sell, they saw the sell being activated. Now they are coming back down here to activate sell orders, sell pending orders. So once they come back here, then they move back up again. Why are they moving back up? They are moving back up so that to hit some sell stops. That is, some people have placed their stop losses. Some people that that you might have sold here. You sold here, then your stop loss is around this place. They are coming down here to hit your stop loss. So now they know that some will have put their stop loss at the high of this place. Then they are coming down here to what? To hit the stop loss. So each time you see a wick forming, especially a long wick in the market, know that these are intentional acts made by the market maker just to hit stop losses. They are not just there by accident. You know what I'm saying? So now they hit the stop losses, and then after they are satisfied and then hit the stop losses, they've gotten the money they wanted. Then they have to what? Go the way they are planning. Then your stop loss is going to be around this place. And look at it. It hits your stop loss, and that's how you're out of the market. So easy, no stress at all. So you need to understand the market makers method, their pattern. Once you're able to understand their pattern, I'm telling you, you are good to go. So let's look for some other a buy um, a buy pattern of this. Guys, in a nutshell, just let me explain to you. The buy setup are quite very hard to see, because the market maker often don't produce often, I say often, don't produce that kind of buy setup. But the sell setup are kind of very rampant, because I've seen a lot of sell setup that you have to sell, but the buy setup are not always, they are not always that rampant. But I think you understand what I'm trying to say here. But just if you are not able to see the spot the buy setup, but you should understand the pattern. Here is the pattern. Let me just draw it for you, so you can stick it to your head, and then don't forget it. Here is the pattern, very easy. There is the pattern. So you can see. Here's a pattern. You can just once you see, you can just think of it like this way. So you can once you are able to think this way, that's the pattern. So like somebody will say that this is half a Batman, this is like Batman. Like Steve Morrow said, this is half a Batman. So you can see it. So but because there is nothing like this thing, but if you are able to get the like I told you in the introduction video, that you're able to get this second leg forming one year, this and that forming. So this is a Batman, or this is a multi-section M. They are good to play the same. So that being said, guys, let me explain some videos. I mean some trades which I took to use so that I don't want to, because I love to practice what I love to explain what I traded. So it does not just come in. Yes. First of all, let's look at what. Okay. GPP card. GPP card. I will explain how I took this. They are all trades which I've taught you. The strategy which I taught you guys, they were all the ones I used in trading GPP card, or everything you see here. Now, let's now this is a 1 hour time frame. The market, if you agree with me that this is an uptrend, okay? Yes. So now, what did I see that made me took this trade? Now, as we move here, as the uptrend moves here, probably in my next video, I'll be talking about how I'll be talking about trend line strategy. That is how I use my trend line, because this trade is actually based on trend line strategy, my own trend, my personal trend strategy which I use. So I'm going to just give you a brief. This is a trend line. If you should place a trend line here, this is a trend line. And then look, but one I use is that look, this is a M formation, a multi-session M formation. If you are to go to, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame so that you don't get twisted. So this is a multi-session M formation. Can you see? Now, so this is a multi-session M formation. The first leg from here, now the second leg from here. I've already taught you that. Then I had to take the trade. I took the trade here. I took the trade here. After taking the trade here, set my stop loss here. Actually, I took the trade on the 1 hour time frame. That's the reason you see it like this. Actually, I took the trade on the 1 hour time frame. So you cannot blame me for that. I took the trade on the 1 hour time frame. Then I set the stop loss and the take profit on my 1 hour time frame at around this place. So if you look at the 15-minute time frame, then look at where we have. So by Monday, Tuesday, we are expecting a TP to hit. So all multi-sessions M and W. So that you don't think that this guy does not trade what it teaches. Everything I taught you guys, I'm using perfectly. Okay. Yes. This 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 is a clear example. This I took this trade to on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, on the 1 hour time frame. Took the trade at around this place. I should have placed my stop loss around here. You can see that it did not even move up at all. It just kept on going down. Yes, what made me take this trade? It's a multi-session M. A multi-session M, like I told you. Look, this is the first leg of the M, second of the M. This is a what? This is a level which the market came down, break the level. Then I waited for the market to move up to retest this level. Then after retesting, I took my trade here. And then I set my stop loss at around this place. So if you should look at it on the 15 minutes time frame, you is going to see that it's a multi-session M or W, just like you saw it in 1 hour time frame. This is the first leg formed at the previous day, then second leg formed at the next day, multi-session M and W. The market comes down here, this level, then the market breaks this level, then I was late, I wasn't there, but when the market comes down to retest back this same level, can you see, and then it comes down here, looking at this, I took the trade, looking at this bullish engulfing candle, took the trade and around this level, then off we go. Can you see that there was no drawdown at all? It kept on going down, no drawdown at all. It even almost hit the TP before moving down. So I'm expecting a reversal to come back here, and if it doesn't, I'm closing my trade probably once the Asian or in the midnight of Sunday morning. Yes. So that's that about the trade which I took. A multi-session M's and W actually played out here, and actually took them as I have taught you guys. So they work. If you can take your time to master all this strategy which I'm teaching you, I'm telling you, you will be making consistent profits. If you have any question, feel free to drop them. I'm going to feel free to drop them on the comment section. And if you want to reach me, you can reach me on my number. I'm going to place it down there. Thank you for sharing and for watching this video. Thank you very much. Until I see you come your way in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to trade the trend line. I mean, trend line. I'm going to be showing you my secret strategy on how to trade trend line. You know, that GBP card setup or trade which I showed you, don't worry. During my trend line strategy that I'll be unveiling, I'm going to explain in details to you how I took the trade in line, incorporating it with trend line and multi-sessions M and W. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video to the end. God bless you and have a great day ahead of you. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and keep winning. Bye bye.